एंड ऑनेस्टली गर्मी इतनी बढ़ गई है आजकल कि हम दोनों ने बाइक चलाना ऑलमोस्ट कम्प्लीटली छोड़ दिया था। बट आज सुबह तो एटलीस्ट टचवुड मौसम अच्छा है। इट्स हॉट बट इट्स नॉट एज हॉट एज द आफ्टरनून टाइम इज़। उस टाइम पे तो भाई नहीं, यू जस्ट कांट राइड अ मोटरसाइकिल उस टाइम पे। इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 7 अभी सुबह सुबह, बट स्टिल धूप ऐसे निकली हुई है जैसे कि 9-10 बज रहे हो। Yep, I jinxed it. It's getting hotter by the minute. वहाँ पे शेड थी तो शायद इसलिए थोड़ा नॉर्मल लग रहा था। अभी डायरेक्ट सनलाइट के अंदर तो हाँ, इट इज़ वार्म एंड इट्स गेटिंग वार्मर बाय द मिनट। But it's a beautiful morning regardless. Open skies, no overcast. तो अच्छा ही लग रहा है ओवरऑल तो। I really don't think गर्मियों के मौसम में लॉन्ग राइड्स आर पॉसिबल, एटलीस्ट फॉर अस। हमसे नहीं चलाई जाती धूप में, बहुत टायर्डनेस हो जाती है। सनस्ट्रोक भी पॉसिबल है, सो क्यों ही चांस लेना। बट शॉर्ट राइड्स आर ऑलवेज वेलकम। I was thinking of creating a series of comparison videos on the channel, सारी बाइक्स को एक दूसरे के साथ compete करवा के, मतलब obviously not performance wise but rather feel wise, because all are Royal Enfields and so let me know what are your thoughts on it, करना चाहिए या फिर नहीं। The first video would be Thunderbird versus Interceptor. And I could also throw in Classic 350 somewhere because Interceptor से पहले वही थी मेरे पास, वही चलाता था। And going forward उस पे Interceptor versus Super Meteor versus Thunderbird, all sorts of permutation and combinations निकाली जा सकती है। let me know if you're interested for that. And other than that idea, there's another thing I have is all our bikes are pretty heavily modded. I mean the Interceptor is not, but still स्टॉक के कंपैरिजन पे इस पे भी काफ़ी चीज़ें लगी हुई है, थंडरबर्ड पे काफ़ी चीज़ें लगी हुई है, और SM तो देख के ही पता चलती है कि मॉडेड है कम्प्लीटली. सो वीडियो showcasing all the mods on the bikes is also a nice option. Prices नहीं होंगे उसमें क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली वो याद भी नहीं है और उसका कोई रिकॉर्ड नहीं रखा हुआ, बट एटलीस्ट मॉड्स दिखेंगे. एंड आई फील पापा ने इंटरसेप्टर कह रहा हूँ, सुपर मीटियोर काफ़ी टेस्टफुली मॉड की है. I mean, at least I haven't seen any other Super Meteor looking the way his bike does. See, that's what I'm talking about. And I feel that's the good thing about Royal Enfields is you can really make them your own. There is no one size fits all philosophy with Royal Enfields. Buy the base bike, you spend a good chunk of money modding it, and it really gives it a very different kind of a personality, which is the charm of owning a Royal Enfield. Also, the modding streak on my Interceptor has kinda halted because I'm saving up for the end cans. Now I'm confused between the PowerAge short cans or the AEW 201s. I mean, दोनों का look completely different है. And what I feel is कि AEWs are a bit unique, but I don't know if they come in black, and neither do I know if they would look good on a blacked out Interceptor. They look damn fine on a chrome one, but I mean, I'm a little 50-50 about it. PowerAge ones are तो स्टॉक जैसे दिखते हैं, बस छोटे पतले मोर टक्ड इन. The sound profile, from the videos which I have watched, PowerAge appears to be slightly bassy. I mean, it really grabs the thumb. AEW ones I don't really think are that bassy. They are more or less have like a growl to them. So I mean, of course, in person सुनने के बाद ही पता चलेगा कि actually कैसे sound करते हैं, but I don't know, I'm confused. Similarly priced, give or take 1500 or 2000 rupees, but still confused. At least yeah, the exhaust with the baffles, obviously we won't be removing the baffles like ever. for that bike, I think for the SM, I think the Bikeology Rhino Racing V3s would look amazing on them. Pretty similarly shaped to the stock ones, a little shorter than them, but the design is pretty spot on to the OEM ones, which I kinda like. And the other mod that SM needs is a pair of panniers. That's been like really long due. Now I also plan to get my bike wrapped tastefully, of course. I saw on Instagram, so there was this Continental GT. It was blue in color with red and orange stripes right around here, and it looked neat. I don't know if that's OEM color or a paint job. I mean, I saw like a couple of bikes in that shade, and it looked really neat. I really don't have any idea वो कलर यूरोप एक्सक्लूसिव है या कस्टम है, बट जो भी है, it really fancied me, and I really don't think उस कलर में कोई भी इंटरसेप्टर होगी, at least where I live in. If you're a keen observer, you might have noticed that the bikes are not really clean, and that is due to the fact that we are riding after like an entire month. टाइम ही नहीं मिल रहा था बाइक राइड्स पे जाने का. And that's why today seems kinda refreshing. Not even feeling the heat from the engine that much. I don't know क्यों. I usually do feel that.